If you want to be smooth, hairless, and bald for summer, I'm going to teach you how to shave. To prevent razor bumps and ingrown hairs and have your shave lasting like 4 to 5 days. If you want a smooth, close, long-lasting shave, you have to be exfoliating before you're shaving. If you're not exfoliating, you're going to get razor bumps, you're going to get ingrown hairs, and your shave isn't going to last as long. I suffered from razor bumps and ingrown hairs for so long that I actually worked for 2 years with a female chemist to formulate the Miele Strawberry Kiss Sugar Scrub that has salicylic acid in it and sugar crystals that were gentle enough for my sensitive skin to help prevent razor bumps and ingrowns when shaving. So what this does is I take a scoop of it in my hand, exfoliate, pretend like this is the bikini line, I exfoliate everywhere where I'm going to be shaving. It helps to untrap hairs that could be stuck underneath the surface layer of the skin that would form into ingrown hairs later. It's going to exfoliate any dead skin cells off. It's going to unclog your pores. This is all essential for before shaving because it's going to help your shave last longer. It's going to prevent bumps. It's going to prevent ingrowns. This is now when I shave completely smooth, not a razor bump or ingrown hair in sight. And also you can't see my hair follicles so easily after I shave anymore. We are not dry shaving in this household. We are lathering up with shaving cream before we shave, stepping out of the stream of the shower so that the water doesn't just wash away your shaving cream and then you start your shave. What I do is I will pull my skin up with my hand, shave down in gentle strokes of the razor. You're not going to go long past the razor or like rubbing up and down, pushing in too hard. Just a short, gentle stroke. And then I like to go towards the right or the left to get every single hair no matter which way it's growing. Your shaving routine is not over once you finish shaving. Common misconception, and that is what is causing your razor bumps and ingrowns. This is the Miele Bikini Oil. This has honey oil, tea tree oil, pineapple and papaya extract in it. It's kind of like an oil serum hybrid, so it dries down really well. It doesn't like stay oily or greasy on your skin. This completely soothes any redness or bumps that I get from the friction of the razor, and it also helps keep the area pink and light for me. The final step of your shaving routine should always be moisturizing no matter what. This helps prevent itchiness, ingrown hairs, and the best part is I made a bundle for you guys. It's called the Miele Bikini Bundle. I'll link it so it's easier for you to find, and it actually comes with a free bikini when you order, so you get all your shaving products plus a free bikini, which is so cute and perfect for summer. So the Bump Be Gone Cream is a body moisturizer that has glycolic acid in it. It is unscented, which for me is crucial for a body cream if I'm going to be using it after shaving. I apply it on my hand, I apply it everywhere I shaved, avoiding the opening for all of the product. This got rid of my razor bumps and ingrown hairs literally in one day. I applied it on, it got rid of them, and I've been using this for 3 years. I have not had a razor bump or ingrown hair ever since I started using this routine. Let me know if you have any other questions and follow for more girl tips.